C3 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1975 model year Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe. Brought to us on consignment. And according to the owners of this car, actual miles. And judging by a lot of the wear items as far as interior, engine bay, definitely would consider the miles probably actual in this car. 39,476. Of course, once a car is so old, on the title it just states exempt, so you can't really follow a paper trail. But I'll show you some of the things I'm talking about as far as carpeting on the inside, seat wear, and all appears to be original. Now, silver on silver car, so paint code 13. And interior, I believe, was 142, so it'd be a leather bucket seat car. Take a look at this nose cone. One little small imperfection is seen there, but overall shows well. Nice luster to it. Of course, 350 V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC compressor kicks on and off. I have not had it blow cold. Consigners chose to reflect it in the price and sell it the way that you see it. Now, if you want to check out the still picture, so you can see the engine bay, the interior, take a close look at the seats and the carpeting. When you look at the interior, take a good look at the engine bay. Car with 140,000 miles. Don't think you're going to see nicely conditioned seat like this one has. It hasn't been recovered, as well as a clean interior considering the age of this car. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see up and down the passenger side of this car, really free of much of any real nicks or chips. Of course, a T-top car. Last year the convertible, 75. Being a coupe, going to have the T-tops to it. Take a look from the rear to the front of the passenger side. Both front fascia and the rear, I guess, bumper, if you will, rear valance, also in nice condition. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Turbo 400 or turbo hydromatic 400 transmission in this, so it is an automatic. Go ahead and take a peek up and down the driver's side. Of course, riding on the rally style wheels with beauty rings and center caps, which would have been stock on this car. All right, let's go ahead and check out this interior. Pull that key a second. All right, some of the things that you notice, and this appears to be an original door panel. It is missing the little kind of half moon key that holds that lock turn deal on. It's going to be going through the shop. That's something that can easily be fixed. But take a look at this sill. And this does appear also to be original. Not a lot of wear on that going in and out. And then take a look at these seats. And again, these are original seats to this car. And just the condition of everything on the interior as far as the carpeting. Look at the pedals, the wear on the pedals. Just does not show a lot of wear in there. Also has the bags for the T-tops in the rear back here, as well as the strap. I can't think of how many of those that I have not seen come along with the cars. So very complete car too. Owner's manual, some of the original paperwork, and one of the cubby holes in the back, as far as the folder that the original dealer would have had when they sold this car, got it to the original owner. Take a look at the dash. The car's obviously been stored indoors too. Another thing, many times you start to see these get saggy and all pulled down when there's a lot of miles on them and a lot of use and abuse. Just don't see that stuff on this car. I did not get the radio. The radio will power up and it will come on like it's getting a station in, but I cannot get any sound out of it. Let's put it that way. Now, All right. Chime for the seatbelt still working and everything too. There's your exact miles. If you can see that, it's 39,476. This thing runs as smooth as could be. I personally have driven this car, probably 5, 6, 7 miles. It drives out beautiful for a 1975 Corvette. Take a look at the gauges. Appears everything working but the clock. Of course, the automatic. Power windows in this car, obviously. On the center console. That door closes and fits. And then listen to this. Just a stock sounding 75 vet. Nothing crazy, nothing over the top. Alright. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood popped. I want to show you the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, here we go for under the hood shots. And a ton of still pictures under the hood too. Again, power steering, power brakes. Looks like it has a Mura alternator on it. Just look at the condition as far as the engine. This original paint, if you look down, just past down in here. Somebody could have touched it up higher, but look at that engine bay. This does not show a lot of wear either. That's how smooth that runs. Everything underneath there looks the way that it would have been produced back in 1975 at Chevrolet. AC compressor and all AC lines also appear to be intact. This is kind of folded a little different from the hood being closed on it. The new rubber gasket there, or really not going to affect the performance of that engine a whole lot the way you see it either. And you can hear how smooth this thing runs. Also confirmed on this one, where you can look down on the plate. I'll have it in the description too. Numbers matching engine in this car. So also original. 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe. Believed to be original miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. We're going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.